Alright guys, here's another garage project again. Another little wagon. Not really showing up any. But it's green. So very green. There. Little wagon for somebody to buy. I think I'll start pumping these things out if there's demand. Well, it's not too cold out there. Got the car project going. This wiring nightmare. Still really haven't touched the thing. It's April. Ugh. Just too tired. Too busy, too sick. But look, how could you not want to work on this thing? I'm waiting for the engine harness. They're making it at Wiring Specialties. I did some stuff. Got these AM coils down here. You can't see. Got rid of the heater box and everything. Cleaned up some wiring down there. This is what I'm up against. Chassis wiring. It wouldn't be so bad if I just ripped it all out and started from scratch, but I'm trying to save the stock shit. Little spot to hang my bumper. Look how dirty it is. Ooh. What a disaster. What a disaster. Time to start cutting shit out, I think. Pretty goddamn tired, but just an update video for y'all. Still in Winterland in Canada, so I know they're racing in Vegas. It's like 80 degrees. Not so much here. Oh well. Have fun, guys. Subscribe, like, click that bell.